I'm going to explain how to communicate with a West EC44 controller via its comms lead and Blue Control software. Blue Control can be downloaded from the West-CS website. You will require the West PC adapter and instrument lead conv-BA-PS-00-00-00. The DIL switches on the adapter must be set up as shown on the diagram for PS. PS stands for Plus Series, but it's the same configuration for the EC44 controller/profiler. When you purchase the adapter and lead, there will also be another connector in the box. This is required when connecting the adapter to the West Plus series controllers. It is not required when the adapter and lead are used with the EC44. You can disconnect it like so, and then that will plug in to the bottom of the EC44 controller. Okay, so all you need to do now is plug this into the bottom of the EC44 controller. Just clips in under there. There we go. And the other end of the adapter is USB. You can plug it into the laptop. Here is the Blue Control software version 3.6 that I've downloaded and installed from the West-CS website. With Windows 11 it's very much plug and play. You can just plug this adapter into a Windows 11 PC and get going with the software without having to install any other drivers or anything like that. A few years ago I posted a video showing how to communicate with EC44 using Blue Control. At that time the connection lead was serial comms, not USB. The software has not changed. Details of how to communicate using Blue Control can be found by looking at my earlier video from 1 minute 45 seconds onwards. The title is EC44 Temperature Controller Comms via Blue Control Software Tutorial.